Hello guys, welcome to this video. If you design apps in Adobe XD and if you develop app using Flutter, here's a good news for you. Adobe XD has launched a plugin that directly converts Adobe XD designs to Flutter code. So let's see how this works. So we'll open our XD software and we'll click on the designs that we have created. I've just created a sample design simply for demo purposes. So we'll click on this drawer box and we'll click on plugins. Then we'll click on discover plugins. And in the browse section, we'll search for the Flutter plugin. So we'll type Flutter in it. And we'll click on this exit to Flutter plugin. Make sure that your Adobe XD is up to date. Then we'll install it. Now again we'll go to the drawer, we'll click on plugin. We can see that plugin has been installed. We'll click on this and we'll click on UI panel. So this will give us the panel. So before that we'll go to Chrome and we'll install the dependencies for the Flutter. We'll copy this and we'll go to our Flutter project. We'll go to a Flutter project and in the pubspec.yaml file we'll paste that version of Adobe XD dependency. So we'll save this and we'll go to this UI panel and we'll just click on this button and click on the copy selected. So the code has been copied for us. So we'll go to this VS Code and we'll can paste the code here. So I will change this code a little bit uh, and we'll paste the code that we have copied. So wow, that the plugin has converted our button directly to the Flutter code, and let's see how does this look in a Flutter app. So we'll run this code. So you can tweak the code a little bit and you can reload it. We can see the button has been placed in the center without any coding. So that's what the plugin does for you, and we could directly import uh, the complete app as well. So we can click on this export all widgets option there and we'll open a Flutter code folder and we'll select the folder there. So now we'll can oops, I have selected the wrong folder. We have to just select the folder and click on select. Now we'll go to the VS Code and we'll see the code if the code has been imported. So yeah, all the dot file has been created. Now we could directly run the app. Let's see how does the app looks. So we'll run this and so the code is pretty neat there. So we got our app, but it is not as expected. Maybe because I have not given the device with properly, but the card, the grid is good. But this is the early access of the plugin, which means that it is not completely developed, but it will definitely develop in future. And I am already in love with this plugin. If not complete app, we could at least create complicated widgets through this for now. So that's it about the new plugin launch. See you in the next video.